One of the advantages of being at Luther College is they can live here in college. They have the cafeteria, meal programs, student supports.
Luther has individual dorms. You don't have to share with anybody, no roommates, and cafeteria is right below, so it's really time-saving.
Residence has been so good. My first semester, I made new friends, I talked with lots of people. I flew all the way from India to here, so it was a tough time for me, but Luther gave me like home experience, so I'm enjoying it.
We have our own library, lounges. Students can really feel at home here in the Student Village.
It's a great experience over here.